guys? Welcome to Bad Golf Society. Me and Michael here. We're gonna go out to play some R3s. We might play 3 or 4 holes, but obviously we're not playing in the greatest conditions here today. We're gonna head out to a local golf course. It's not a public one, it's private. Don't tell anybody. We're gonna get out there and we're gonna just, have some fun today, guys. Make a challenge out of it, all right? We'll see you there. Hopefully we don't get stuck out here, right? We're gonna actually find out where the Little Mill golf courses where we're gonna play today, and then we're gonna take this little mountain up to one of the holes that we're gonna start at.
Sorry, our navigator doesn't know how to drive, so we got to take a couple detours, but we'll be there eventually.
Nice open road. We gotta get across. I'm already tired. Watch out. Money. Oh, look, a board. Hole one, guys. Is this actually the tee box?
Yeah.
All right. Bad news. Flag down there doesn't have a pin, so I'm gonna take Cole's putter, or yeah, I'm gonna take the broom actually, and I'm just gonna snowboard down there. I'm not sure which way to really go, to be honest with you. I'm kind of scared. Oh wait, I do have a ski, so maybe I can use that to my advantage. Fuck! I didn't make it very far, did I?
I think walking down's the best option.
Cole says we're good right here. There's our flag. You can see Cole all the way up there. Par 3, 150 yards, downhill, 37 index. I don't really know, I'm just making all that up. Holy smokes, it came landing. I believe this is his ball. Ugh. Here it is. All right, bud, I'm coming up. Snow golf is proving to be difficult. That's all right. This is what we wanted. Now I'm gonna make my way uptown. This is like the 5th time I've fallen. Okay. Made it to the top. Cole's down at the bottom. We're gonna take a nice shot at this. Bunker. Bunker shot.
Bunker shot, bud.
Bunker shot. We got Cole over here putting for actual birdie. Oh. All right, Cole going in for his par. Came up a little short. Let's see what happens.
No.
Just a little short.
Call that a double.
Yeah. We're not the best golfers. That's why it's called Bad Golf Society. But we're out here playing when nobody else would.
Yeah, we're gonna see if he can chip it up there. So close.
Oh.
Yeah, we might have. And he makes it.
Just want to make it clear that this is supposed to be
a trio, guys. A trio, 3, not 2.
and there's only 2 of us out here because somebody has salt in their. Where's the hole, bud?
They are on the bottom of the hill. There goes the putter.
Like, is that a hole down there?
Goes right along the
Where are
hill.
you? You're facing the wrong way.
This
The
is
hole is behind us. I said we hit from right here.
Yeah.
I'm not qualified to do anything anymore. I need a license. That would be a bunker. We're just gonna play it like this, and then we're just gonna sled down here again. Just gotta hit it low, hit it true. Oh, what a shot.
Here, on the green.
Right on the green. The snow is not that great to eat.
What a great shot.
A little short. That's all right. That's all right. All right, boys. Let's make our way downtown. Well, I see mine. You might have to take a drop with me, bud. Bump and run 7-iron, guys.
We're gonna see if you can do it.
Do it. Over the board. Into the hole.
Into the hole.
Oh,
dude.
dude, that's in. That's in. Dude, that's a birdie. I don't know what you guys call that, but I call that a bird. We just forgot to make a hole around the hole, but if we did, then that would have been in the hole.
Huh?
Wow.
Focus this one camera with the frick. Supposed to make a circle here. If we would have made a circle, which was Cole's job to do, then I would have had a secured birdie. All right, guys, we did horrible today. Not as great as I thought we were gonna do. It is what it is. But
We're gonna have to come back and do better.
I had a great time out here. You had a great time?
I had a fantastic time. That's all we could ask for.
It's all that matters. It's all that matters. All right, guys, we'll see you at another Bad Golf Society video.
Peace out.
Peace.